So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit line spacing here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left, make sure the Home tab is selected. Once that is done, type in whatever text you're looking for. So by default, for example, if I were to type in the word text right here, I will make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. If I were to copy and paste this exact text right here and paste it on the below line, I believe the default text length, I guess, for line spacing is only 1. Now, if you want to change this or you want to make it larger or smaller, whatever the case may be, highlight the text right here. I want you to go to where it actually says right here, right beside where it says the alignments right here, press on this option here where it says line and paragraph spacing, press on that. And as I mentioned before, by default, the line spacing is set to 1. So if you want to make it go to 1.15, you can do that. 2.0, you can make it go to 3.0, whatever the case may be. You can also select right here line spacing options and then select one of your own choice. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to edit the line spacing here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.